Welcome. In front of me is a Blackview A90, and today I'll show you how you can go through the setup of this phone. So when you boot it up for the first time, you should be presented with this screen right over here, where you get to select your desired language by clicking on the drop down right here and finding it. Now I'm gonna stick with English and select Get Started, which will take me to the next page, which is just inserting a SIM card, completely optional step. It's here for mobile network reasons, so you can either use mobile network or Wi-Fi, and the reason for either one of those is throughout the setup process with some kind of network connection you will also have the option to sign into your Google account. Now if you choose to skip this like I will, both of them, then you won't see that show up, meaning Google page won't show up to log into your account. Anyway, additional thing is date and time won't be set automatically without any kind of network, so you can fix it up if you want to, or keep it as it is, though actually it is correct for me, so I'm gonna go just to the next page. Now here we have Google services, so we have 3 different services like location, scanning, sending, and sending user and diagnostic data. You can disable them if you don't want to, or just scroll down to the next page. And this will allow us to set up a screen lock. So by default it opts into a 4-digit PIN, but you can tap right here and change it also to a pattern or password depending on which one you want. Or not set one at all if you feel like you don't need to protect your phone. And here we have some terms of use. So we have privacy policy and user license agreement. Now it is set by default that you agree to them, which if you don't, you won't be able to finish up the setup. So you will see that if you try to disable this, you can't go to the next page. So anyway, let's go to the next page, which is system navigation. So we have 2 different ways of navigating through a device. Default one selected is the 3-button navigation, the typical like OG ones, but you can change it to gesture navigation, which is what I personally prefer, so that's what I'm gonna stick with. From here we can go to the next page, which I believe, finishes up the setup. So there we go, that is how we can go through the setup of this device, and if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.